Yo, 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 what's up, people? How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning, Vietnam. Yes, I am streaming. Hoyo. Okay, so just for people who don't know, I am in GNS. I'm looking to get out at some point, obviously. I am currently up $5, about 7%. I may exit out soon as I only have one day trade left. I'm almost back to $100. I managed to get out of what was it? UVXY. Oh, my dog is. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. My dog wants to get out. All right, I'm back. All right. It is looking like it's taking a pullback here. I also did buy into some more. Hey, what's up, Henry? How are you doing? What up, what up, what up? Oh boy. All right. GNS is taking a little pullback here. Are we going to see a nice little rebound? Or I think 350 could be kind of. Oh, boom. Volume is pretty large. Definitely some covering going on. Volume comes in, picks it up a little bit. Resistance at 330. All right. Damn, I should have just taken the profit. When I'm up, I'm up. I should have just taken it. Now I got to deal with hoping it doesn't come back down below my average. I don't think it will. I think it's probably going to trade 340s throughout the day. Here, we'll just let that sit for a little bit. So FRC definitely took a little pullback. Managed to tap 55 in the pre-market wall. You know, I was actually looking to short wall here, but I don't have enough capital to short on Webull, so that's kind of an issue. As you can see here, I had UVXY. I sold out. I actually sold at $6, which wasn't a bad. It's coming back up, but with all the banks running and this, well, I mean, the SPY is up almost a full 1.5%. So there's this sort of like false sense of security that's kind of like causing me an issue. PXMD. Yeah, I saw a lot of people talking about that yesterday. Dude, this crypto rally is making me so like, I don't know. Could we start seeing the separation of the market, or is this just kind of like a separation state? Like people are just, the world's gonna, or the markets are going in different directions, you know? Cause I don't like all this bullish sentiment that's starting to hit the market all of a sudden. It's really weird. It doesn't make me feel confident in. Oh boy, okay, GNS is coming back down. Got 25 shares, baby. Come on. Give me something good. Tap like the 340s again, and we're good to go. See, volume died off a little. Yeah, it was definitely shorts covering there. Should have just sold out when I had the opportunity to. Now I just gotta, now it's gonna test the 3 again. Here we go. All right. Here, we'll take a look at PXMD. Just PXMD is on its way up 36%. There we go. I can just do that. All right. Yeah, the 1 minute. That's. Hold on. Let me get my. Let's do this with GNS. Do this with PXMD. I know there were a couple others tickers running. Here, let's do EMA, VWAP, all this. Okay. Let's take a look. So we did cross over the 500 moving average. Trading just around my, wow, PXMD is really running. Definitely chose the wrong ticker today, people. This is crazy, dude. He was alerting it on his Discord. Okay. Okay, definitely some accumulation going on GNS after that pullback. I don't imagine it's going to be going up much higher, to be honest. Oh, wait, one sec. All right, wait one. This is really weird. Yeah. Oh wait, I can't see you, bro. For some reason. Hold up. Let me try something. Should try to be paying attention to the background here, but we'll give it a go. I'm gonna try to. Gotta try something here. Wait, did I like block you maybe on accident? Is that a possibility? It's weird because I don't have you blocked on my other. This is really weird, dude. I actually have no idea why that is. Don't you have like another account? Could you try on there? Like, I don't. This is really weird. All right. Oh, GNS is going back down. PXMD, dude. Damn, what a runner. On the 1 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute here. Volume did die down. Kind of dipped below the VWAP. It is kind of cruising out above the 30 moving average. What up, people? A couple of new people coming in here. Oh, yo. All right. Oh, wait. I see you now, dude. I see you. Hey. Good morning, everyone. OA said good morning, everyone. Oh, bro, dude. I finally figured out what the problem was. Dude, yo. Wait, hold up. Oh, wait. Hold up. No, bro. I can see you. I didn't block you. Oh, wait. I see you, dude. I didn't have my my chat. I had it at top chat, and for some reason I can't see OA's messages on top chat, but on live chat. There we go, dude. Finally. Jesus Christ. Took way longer than necessary. Alright, well, I'm now getting into the $90 area on this account. Not something we want to see. Dude. Taking profits. Sometimes you just gotta do it really quickly. I might hold up for a little bit longer here. We're going to test the 50 MA. Dude, this is kind of the issue with like trading with such a small like number in your account, is that you kind of just like have to hope and pray, because like you're like trying to get like a couple extra dollars, like maybe an extra dollar or two, and then it just fucking bam, you're down $3 or $4. Like I was up a solid $7, no, $5 or $6, and now I'm down 50 cents, which is crazy. I know it's all relative and stuff like that, but it is kind of annoying. All right, PXMD is just still climbing. 260. Tap the 261.6. Dude, but for real, I like that crypto's pumping, but it's making me very hell yeah, dude, let's go. I'm ready, OA. I'm ready. But yeah, no, this crypto pump is kind of makes me nervous. I wonder if they use crypto as an indication. Oh no, dude, don't worry. There's like 7 people in here. It's the everybody who's in here show right now. Wow, PXMD is ripping, dude. Oh, dude, if I wish I just had like one extra day trade. I don't know if any of that information was relevant, but if you want to take $90 from me, go right ahead. Yeah, I bought some more COSM this morning as well. See, I think I got a free 1 month membership with FFIA. Yeah, bro, FFIA, he's been on a grind recently. I've seen him on the live streams. Much respect to his work ethic. Damn, dude, PXMD. I picked the wrong ticker. And I only have one day trade, so I either hold GNS. I mean, GNS will always pump back up, but I had like 5 shares at 280, 285 or something, and what I should have just sold that and then moved on instead of averaging. I averaged up for no reason. I doubled down on my, I got aggressive on my position for no reason. Absolutely no reason. But I guess you live and you learn, right? All right, we're come on, GNS, do a little bounceroonie. Look, I could take the, how much is this right now? I could take the $3 loss, like I could, and then I could just play, maybe try to jump into a swing play. But what is the, like, here? Let me go to my bank list. How is everything else? FRC. Okay, it dipped back down to 42. God damn, I could have jumped in there, made a couple of bucks. I think I need to just stick with the bigger tickers, to be honest, man. Especially with only $89 in my account. Like, if you get like a couple of dollar runner, like with one share, like you're good to go. Like, maybe I should just try like Apple. You know, maybe switch up my strategy, because this strategy with, oh wait, I want to keep PXMD up there, but maybe I just need to like change my strategy, like get a share or two of like some of the big tickers and just try to swing it for a couple of days and just slowly try to build it up. Right, like I've never tried $100 account. I've always had like $500 where I can play like 1 or 2 or maybe 3 positions, and I can just hop into the other one and double down later on. But when you have $100, it's a lot harder. Like one share could literally be like 3/4 of your portfolio. It's a lot trickier. I'm also in GNS. I'm going to stay. Market 1030 sell off. Don't get trapped. Be patient, my brethren. Yeah, OA, dude. We'll see, man. I have a feeling like it's gonna make a little recovery. I mean, GNS is always one of those tickers that likes to pop back up. So, I mean, if we just go to the, well, let's see. Maybe we need to. Look at that. It was like a nice little pop up. Like when it popped up last time, I remember I made some money on this last little pop up. All right, so we're in the 1 hour right now. Right, I mean, there's still some time to go, right? I mean, this one on GNS ran for a little bit, so. But yeah, GNS, it's probably going to have to test the $3 at some point, right? What's it, like? The 200? Where's the 50 MA on the 15 or on the 5? That's still kind of under. I mean, we could see a golden cross opportunity popping up here. On the 10, it's struggling a little bit. Yeah. No, I agree, dude. I agree. Just don't get too wonky with what's going on within the market. Just keep cool, stay calm. This is brutal. All right. I think we could see another test of like the 200 at some point. Maybe the 120. As long as it gets above my average, I'll take it. Well, it needs to go up 4 cents for $1 or something like that. I know that's not much, but it is tricky. You know, I'm still very early on in this challenge, so like if we look at the overall market here, right? Like I also kind of want to talk about like the overall market today, and I understand why crypto's pumping, but I don't understand why these banks are up almost 50%. Like, I'd buy puts on this crap, dude. This is ridiculous. There's just, in my mind, there's no reason for these. Like, I know people are talking about the Federal Reserve, and I know inflation came out, and I think it was below expected, if I'm not mistaken, right? But then again, that data is manipulated, right? And everyone's like, yeah, we know it's manipulated, but the market doesn't care. Well, that means the market's just running on, like, fumes, like BS fumes. Hey, what's up, Counselor Diamond Hands? How you doing, bro? I've been keeping an eye on your channel, bro. You've been putting in work. Much respect, man. All right. Looking for, we found a little resistance here, or a little support. Misspoke there. Could we see a nice little pullback? I think maybe test the 330s. Looking like that. See if we go to the 1 minute. See, we currently do have on the 1 minute, we have the 50 moving average trying to push itself up above the 200 moving average. Now, obviously on the 1 minute, golden crosses don't mean much, but it's still moving averages, so volume has been kind of slowly dying off, so maybe just a nice little sell-off towards the end of the day. How much am I down? I'm down like, what? Yeah, almost $4 now. No, there's definitely some. You can see the descending candles here. The volume is lower and lower. Generally, what you want is you want either extreme volume on this candle or you want very low volume, because that means people are trying to reverse the direction of the ticker. I know candles get manipulated a lot, but I think people also underestimate, like, there's a bunch of ways that MMs communicate. I know they use like specific numbers to communicate, but they also use candles to communicate. Not that there's enough volume for them to really like attempt anything here. This isn't like a short squeeze that like they're trying to keep down and they're working on it daily. See, why is crypto pumping? I'm not complaining though. LOL. Good gains in my crypto portfolio. I think it's just because first you have uncertainty within the market. A lot of people pulled their money out of the banks. So I think kind of what you said, I think people trust crypto a little bit more. You know, I do think one of the main issues with crypto is that a lot of these people who have crypto, they don't have them in wallets, right? I think that's one of the biggest issues right now. Keep your crypto in wallets. Obviously not financial advice, but there are too many people out here who don't have them in wallets, okay? If your crypto's not in a wallet, you don't own your crypto. That means someone else. That means you've placed your crypto into someone else's crypto or wallet, which is not a good idea. There are plenty of. You can do a quick Google search and look it up on the internet, and you can find various wallets you can put your crypto in. Because like that's one of the main problems with crypto right now is a lot of the market is exposed to Coinbase and stuff like that. Yeah, Nano and Coldwell, 100%. Right, because I'm not sure if you guys heard, Binance stopped the deposit and withdrawals in their UK branch. So like, I don't know why they would necessarily do that. I don't see the reason for that, but. We'll go. I'm still looking. I know the bank index made a nice little recovery today. It's up about 7%. Yeah, but it's still about another like 8 or 9% away from where it was at. See, we did a little yeah. I have my Fibonacci at around 373. Maybe I didn't draw it perfectly, but what you said 380. See if we move it a little bit. Let's see. I'm not saying that you're right. I want to see if it's like 380. Yeah, you're right. It seems like that. I still like. So this is actually kind of what I want to talk about as well. Is that. So I was speculating that there'd be a double top, right? So if you go to the weekly and you go back all the way to 2008, right? There's this little double top that we experienced at around 125. And if you look here, I think what was the high? 480 or something like that? 470, 472. So I was thinking, oh, maybe there might be an uptrend to 470, like kind of like we double top it and then we kind of go down. I mean, this really does look like, I don't know, man. There's so much speculation going on and people all of a sudden are super confident in the market, which doesn't make me confident whatsoever because I don't really see the reason to. Like what? Inflation went down from like 6.5% to 6%. With data that's literally manipulated, that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. The big four banks are not safe because of trillions in risky derivative bets. Exactly, knee deep. I 100% agree with you, Lou. see. I believe banks cleared books and repositioned for the bull market. All speculation. Yeah, no, I like. See, this is what, and to Knee Deep's point, I think this is also one of the issues is that you have at the back end of banks, right? If you go back to the 2008 financial crisis, the issue wasn't necessarily the face of the banks. It was what banks were doing in the background, right? It was the markets that they had propped up in the background that came crashing down, that basically forced a bunch of people to get margin called. And then people had to start covering, and then people were selling their, like, it's just a spiral, right? And I think that's kind of where we're at right now, where you're in the situation where, sure, maybe you saved SVB, but there's still billions of dollars that got lost, that vanished. And this whole bullish sentiment market type thing, I'm not a big fan of. Right? There's still going to be opportunity, but I'm just like, not going fully deep here. Yeah, I am happy that I sold the UVXY. I saw the banks this morning, and I'm like, oh, they're gonna let all of these things run. So I sold out because it's on its way down. I wish I could have shorted it actually, but yeah, I think you need like more than 2,000 in Webull, which kind of sucks. All of these rules, dude. All right, here we go. We got GNS kind of pulling itself back up in that loading zone that it kind of created around the 310 area. If you look at the 1 minute, 50 moving average has crossed 200, so technically a golden cross on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, I believe we're still a ways away there. We are on the way up though, which is good. To OA's point, just be patient, right? Let the market figure itself out. Remember banks flushed in 2008, 2015, but 5 years later, all the banks magically recovered? Can't make this shit up. Yeah, dude. But that's also because they print money, right? They just snap their fingers, get money out of thin air, and then they go, well, that's like, look at our returns, guys. It's like, yeah, because you invented money. You literally took money out of thin air and then put it in your pocket and would go, look at my gains. Because I'm not sure how much you guys know about the FTX situation as well, but one of the things that happened was Binance, the FTX asked Binance to bail them out, right? And in asking to do so, Binance was like, "Oh, let me look at your books. I want to see what you have on the books." And they looked at it and they were like, "Oh, you guys have nothing. This is a full-on Ponzi scheme, right?" And you have sections. How do you say? They're asking banks to pick up some of the slack for SVB, right? But I think only one of the like 4 or 5 banks that they've asked to help with that have said no. Or have said yes, right? And they got it super cheap. Okay, that was a little top right there. Resistance at around the 321 area. So like people who go back to the FTX situation, or who followed the FTX situation, they know for a fact, right, that it took a couple of weeks before FTX fully crumbled. And it's the same situation with this. And I know it's a bull market and people are like, okay, there we go. GNS moving back up, 324. Let's go, baby. Let's get over my average. If we can cross back over the VWAP, I feel like we're going to get a nice little leg up. Maybe tap that 350 again. It is kind of forming a nice little cup right here. Maybe not on the 5, but on the 100%. We could see some. That was a nice green candle as well. All right, let's take a look at the 1 minute again. Oh, wait, no, that's not the 200 moving average. Damn, I was looking. Wait, then what is... Oh, that's the 13 EMA. I got to change this color. We got yellow already. Do we have a green? What's the green? The green is the 50. We'll do a darker green. I know that's a bit hard to see. Oh, we'll do a pink. We'll do pink. There we go. I don't have a pink up here. There we go. Okay, so now we know the third. It's still above the 13 EMA, which is good, especially on the 5 minute. That's good. It's above the 13 EMA on the 10, the 15. So we do still have some support here on GNS. We're trading what, 321? That's not bad. Maybe a little W could be forming here. Something's going on here. There's gonna definitely be another leg up throughout the day. No, but also knee deep. One of the fact that Jim Cramer went online and was like, "Guys, everything's a-okay." That's also another reason why you shouldn't be confident within the market. Man, dude, Bitcoin is wow. Look at Bitcoin trending on Twitter. Let me quickly. I think there's like over 300 breaking 26. Let's take a look. Bitcoin is fighting resistance at 2600 right now. Ethereum is ripping, dude. I'm an Ethereum guy. I think Ethereum has the most utility within the market as of right now. I also bought into another crypto. I'm not saying no financial advice, obviously, but I bought Carbon Browser. It's an offshoot of another version of BAT token, which is essentially a web browser. It is a bit of a long play, though, because they don't have all of their technology released yet, but they went onto the market last month, middle of February, and they pumped up to around 40 cents, and it came down. There's still some dilution going on, but I think that's also just part of the market there. Okay, well, yeah, that's my COSM position. Close that. We don't need to look at that. I did buy some more COSM, so I'll go back to Webull here. All right. Where are we at? 318 right now, so definitely some pullback here. Here we also had, okay, so wow, look at this. So this watch list that I created a couple of weeks ago is, a lot of them are moving up right now. You got CYD up almost 5%, LQDT up almost 7%. You have Senv, wow, Senv is up almost 10%. Wow, that's crazy. All right, yeah, GNS is looking to leg back up. Could be an accumulation zone. I still think I mean, look at that. On the 15, we did cross the 200 moving average. and the 500. We kind of pushed through that resistance point. See, let's take a look at bank. See, how's PXMD doing? PXMD hit a high of 281, went all the way back down to around 237. Oops, I didn't need to do that. That was, I'm gonna pull up COSM on the other one so I can keep an eye on it. COSM's definitely getting some accumulation there, so on the 5 minute, interesting. ATXI is moving back up to 119, up about 5%. I know this isn't fully entertaining because it's a $100 to 25K challenge, and I'm down almost $9 or $8.50, but I guess it's part of the journey, right? People aren't gonna stick around when you're at $100, but once you get into like the couple, like once you get into $1,000, that's when things start getting interesting. Because then you can start playing more tickers, and you don't have to take so much risk. I'm holding my COSM for the long haul. I'm not trading at all. Fundamentals, eh? Yeah, dude, I bought 350 more shares this morning. I averaged down. Okay, there we go. GNS finally above my average. Okay, here we go. Come on, move it up, baby. Move it up. We're up 13 cents. What is it now? See, 1 cent is 25 cents. Okay, so every cent we go up here is 25 cents. Now we're not. I think we're gonna try to push back above the VWAP. Maybe VWAP will become resistance 230. But yeah, oh wait, I think COSM definitely long-term play. I think honestly, it's not even that long of a play. Like I think end of March to the beginning of mid-April, I think that's where you're going to see a lot of activity come in with COSM. So, all right, here. Oh, wow, look at that. I wasn't even paying attention. It already hit the VWAP. All right, there we go. We're moving back up. 328. Let's go. Up 75 cents. Okay. Was up $1. Oh, yes, the VWAP. What's up, P71? Let's fucking go, GNS. Yes, dude. Okay, it just got that big, fat, engulfing red candle. But that, again, that's on the 5 minute. That's on the 1 minute. Sen is back down. We're still even on this position right now. I don't want to be too greedy because at this point, a couple of dollars, like, oh, I could still buy a couple of shares, maybe a little bit. Okay, we're up $1 now, baby. Let's go. Okay, we're up $1.25, $1.50, $1.75. Oh, wow. Okay, we're moving, baby. We're moving. Let's go. $1.75. Come on, push it, baby. Push it. We're above the VWAP. That's what we wanted to see. All right, now the next level of resistance is going to be the 500 moving average on the 5 minute. We don't have any resistance on the 10. Do we have any resistance on the 15? Yeah, on the 15, we're already tapping the 200 right here. The 200 is a strong resistance at around 333. But if we go to the 1 minute, this is like a nice little... I could pull out. I could. What's the percent right now on my gain? A percentage. Do I want to use a day trade on a percentage gain? Maybe try to go swing for something else. Okay, we'll be a little bit more patient here. Because it is looking like it's trying to form a cup and handle. I also think that there's going to be... It had some strong resistance at 310. I think depending on how the next couple of minutes goes, I think we could, as always said, sell off at some point. Well, yeah, we kind of just experienced that essentially. I never thought a $1.25 gain would be such a big deal for me. But in this account it is, so I don't know, maybe we could I'll probably try to jump to some of the bigger tickers at some point. Because I feel like there's just more money to be made. Like, I'd rather buy one share and try to get like a $2 swing than hold 25 shares of like this wildly like somewhat volatile stock. Because GNS technically is a penny stock, but it's one of those that we've been playing for a while now that like I'm not too worried about it. Like we have a good understanding of the play. I mean, all we're really looking for is like maybe a $2 or $3 gain here, right? Because we did drop below. We kind of entered into the 90, like low $90 mark on the account, which is not something we really wanted, but I guess it's par for the course. All right. So we do have some resistance around 324, another one at around 320, and another one at 318. So let's see how that goes. I don't like how on the 5 minute this 500 moving average is just kind of hovering above us right now. Like if we go back, let's do that. Let's move this aside because we're not using it right now. If we go back to the pump here. Okay, so we had the 500 moving average was way below. We kind of skyrocketed past it. But we did have this sort of like accumulation zone on the 5 minute where we were kind of trading. First, we were trying to bounce off of it just below it. And then we kind of used it as a support. And we kind of legged up a couple of days ago. Oh, wow. I even have like an old little thing. See, like that's where I was playing it at that point. Sell off to me just means a chance to average down. I'm zen as fuck. It doesn't mean sell your whole position. Yeah, no, but again, I'm playing with a smaller account here, so every dollar matters. Okay, every penny I'm fighting for. It's not that this is some real. This is really gonna put me back into survival mode right now. Putting every single little penny is tooth and nail, baby. Tooth and nail. That's what we're looking at right now. I'm just curious to see. Like I'm just holding COSM on the sidelines here. I'm curious to see what happens. I'm happy that I averaged down again on COSM though, because like, dude, what's my average now? I think we're in the 550s for my average on COSM on my other account. Yeah, 557. That's not bad. Like, I could easily get 100% just on the fair value run up. All right, we're moving back down on GNS. See, chart looks healthy to me. I'm riding the wave. I'm in my son's small account trying to build it. I'm with you. Let's go, dude. All right, but that is a good candle right there. That means there's definitely some accumulation. People are like, oop, that's a dip. Let's pick some up right there. We kind of held that 218 resistance that I was talking about a couple of minutes ago. That is the 13 EMA, so. You have COSM in 2 accounts. My average is 520. No, I have COSM in another account. So, Thanos Anus, I averaged down this morning. I bought 350 more shares, so I have it all in one account. Should have probably put it in 2 accounts. Now thinking back to it, but we'll see how it all goes. All right, I'll be right back, guys. We're back. All right. By the way, if you're still in here, I just want to quickly mention I do have some things to do at around 10 o'clock for me, which East Coast wise, that's around 1 o'clock. Got some people coming over, so I gotta be social for a little bit. So I will be ending the stream in probably about 2 hours or so. Plus, I imagine most of the volume will have exited the market at that point. So people are probably going to be trading sideways for the rest of the day. Especially with a lot of volatility within the crypto market, most people are going to be there right now. Okay, volume is shutting off on GNS. It's just moving on its way back up now. All right. All right, yeah. I'm not going to be... If we go to the 1 hour in GNS, let's see what we're seeing right here. See a little, you got a top spin right there. Not great, but I guess that's par for the course, right? kind of hoping we see a little bit more volume on GNS. Actually, let me take a look at Roger Hamilton's Twitter. I actually haven't looked at that in a while. Because that man was tweeting wild during TRKA, dude. Okay, wait, hold up. This Wednesday, March 15, Genius Group is issuing up to $370 million in NFT coupons to GNS investors who held shares on February 28th. Okay. Okay. So we could see some heavy action tomorrow. So would I hold this overnight? Like if I had to, maybe. We could see some large volume come back into GNS tomorrow. I'm locked in on GNS for the day. Yeah, I'm actually, I might even consider holding it overnight. See, hey, do you have any idea what price Zip is being purchased for? AMIH owns them, and it's a microfloat. I might play COSM and the company Zip Doctor. So, from my understanding, in regards to the Zip Doctor acquisition, they changed the deal so that they get a portion of their revenue, and I think they take on certain expenses for expansion, if I'm not mistaken. They definitely changed the deal quite a bit. I don't know the specific. I forget the specifics of the deal, but I know they changed it a little bit. So, but essentially, it will be massive cash flow for the company. So, or at least revenue added, right? I don't know how much they've reduced their expenses. That's something they've claimed, but that's also one of the reasons we're waiting for the earnings report. Because once the earnings report comes out, I feel like that's when people will kind of change their mind on COSM again. Oh, this is going to be hard to watch. Two of my favorite YouTubers at the same time. Oh, dude, Steve, I'm just here, bro. I'm enjoying myself. 71K market cap and 11 million shares. If it's true, they're being purchased for 1 million plus. Might be a good trade. Currently trading at. Either way, AMIH is going to go boom boom. Yeah, I saw a couple of people on social media who wanted to play AMIH on the other side because it was pumping up a couple. I think about a week or two ago, after they announced the deal, or the restructuring of the deal at least. So I know there's definitely some interest. Here, I might even take a look at Twitter quickly on AMIH because I know people were talking about it. Yeah, no, I think I think it's definitely a good deal for both companies. I now have riverfront property because of all this rain in Cali. Dude, Miles, I'm like, we're more in the mountains, so we're chilling with that. But yeah, I know what you mean. Hey, Sue, how are you? Oh, it says one for pennies, one for overall market moves. Yeah, I want to definitely be a little bit more overall market. I guess that's my. I'm still gonna dabble in pennies, obviously, but like not to the extent that like John or Free From It All or those guys, they dabble. I know Free From It All likes to dabble in the broader market because he's an options player. But again, it's options. He looks at those stocks in a different way than I do. And John is more pennies, like what's running, what are some of the moves that are coming up, which is fine. But that's just not my overall strategy. So Sue, how are you? How have you been? We need to message each other again. I haven't messaged you in a while. I actually have a question for you that I'll send it to you later that you're gonna have to answer. So be prepared for that. All right. GNS's volume is dying, dude. But I'm like, that's what I'm saying. Like tomorrow you have the NFT thing coming out, so there could be some good price action tomorrow. We don't 100% know, right? That's why I feel kind of comfortable, kind of like what OA said about a little earlier. In regards to like, no, we're chilling. I'm locked in. Bro. Hey Zim, what's up, Zim? How you doing? Your new home looks perfect. I'm always happy to see a fellow Gen Zer, Zim. We got a lot of work to do as a generation. And it starts right here, trying to build our generational wealth, right? So at least that's what my goal is. Try to prop up my family to a degree. All right, here we go. Another little dip coming in on GNS. It does look like we're getting some accumulation, a little bit like last time. Some pop-ups. See, I'm telling you, I have a feeling GNS is going to be moving back up to the 350s at some point. At some point throughout the day. Oh, outside with the coyote? Yeah. No, well, I'm still debating on whether to get like a little weapon or something like that just in case, because those that coyote was kind of by himself and he was kind of scared and he was a bit trapped because there were some people walking by, and like you could see the coyote, he was moving about and he was panicking a little bit because he heard me and he heard the other people, so he was like, he wasn't sure which way to go, and he stuck around and he was hiding in a bush for a little bit. So crypto running seems DeFi is getting more love. You know, I think one of the I like DeFi is also one of those aspects of the crypto market that I really wish was just developed a little bit more. I wish there weren't so many scams in DeFi, because I think DeFi is one of the ways that it's one of the things that will lead crypto into the future. Fight or flight, yeah, 100%, Sue. By the way, if you guys want me to pull up any tickers, let me know, because I'm currently just being a little bit selfish with the GNS. So if you guys want me to take a look, I know some of you guys were looking at PXMD, Still trading around 250. You could have definitely made a couple, like a 10-cent scalp there, which would have been interesting. That would have been a couple of dollars for this little small account. So actually wouldn't have been too bad. All right, we got a nice green candle right there at the bottom for GNS again on that sell-off. Oh, PXMD just dropping down to 243, popping back up to 246 or 249, 247. Definitely some movement coming in. No, Zim, let me ask you: Are you heavy into the crypto space? Like, how heavy are you? Are there any warrants we need to be concerned about for COSM? Yeah, on the latest offering there were some warrants dished out. Like there is definitely a chance of dilution on COSM, but again, I'm not really going for. It's a longer term play, and I think they're already undervalued. So you could definitely see some exercising of warrants, but I'm not too worried about it personally. Oh yeah, like Logan Paul, cough cough. Dude, Logan Paul is such a. I can't, dude. I can't believe people like respect him. Like at least I respect Jake Paul. You know, he gets into the like. I know Logan did it with KSI and stuff like that, but Logan Paul was a bitch, and all he did was cry. At least Jake Paul, like I respect him. Right? Like, I might not like him, but I respect him. Logan Paul, I don't respect and I don't like. Yeah, Thana saying is, if you want to do more research into that, I would take a look at the filing. Let's see. I think the warrants are at 1150, if I'm not mistaken. Here, I can try to pull it up in the background. I forget registration statements. Was this the one? I think this was the one with the offering, right? Yeah, here. Hold up, let me. There we go. Then if I go back to there. Hold up, sorry. Still figuring this out a little bit. All right. And then we go there. All right. This might be a little. I probably have to zoom in a little bit. All right. So so we have the prospectus relates to the sale offering by selling shareholders up to 2.567 shares of common stock. Cosmos Health issuable upon exercise of common warrants sold to institutional investors and existing shareholders of the company. The purchasers under securities purchasing agreement dated December 19, 2022, which we refer to herein as the purchase agreement. The issuance of warrants was made in a Regulation D private placement with a registered direct offering. Okay, the 2.5 million warrants were sold together with an aggregate of 2.5 shares of common stock at a combined offering price of $11.50. The warrants are fully exercisable immediately upon issuance of December 21st, 2022, with an exercise price of $11.50 per share. So there are warrants, but they have to be exercised at $11.50. So yeah, there's definitely some warrants out there. Just to keep that in mind. So they were able to exercise them on the 21st of last year, December 21st of last year. I was heavier last year, but took some losses and profits to make back in stocks, but left a good bit of crypto to hold. I'm still in and scooping up more as it dips. Are you in altcoins, Zim? Because I jumped into some altcoins there. Were they exercised when COSM ran? Most likely. I'm not 100. The thing is, I haven't done too deep of a dive. I imagine they would have been, if not over a period of time, right? Because you can always exercise them, and you can just lend them out for share institutions to cover. I think that was the sort of thesis that was going on here. Okay, well, let's see. Here's the offering. As of January 13, 2023, we had 10.6 million shares issued and outstanding. Okay, warrant shares pursuant to the purchase agreement we sold to selling shareholders. Oh wait, I'm not showing this to you. Let me pull this up. I know people want to look at charts, but let's read this out. We sold the selling shareholder warrants to purchase an aggregate of 2.56 million shares. The warrants were immediately exercisable upon issuance and have an exercise price of $11.50 per share of common stock and expire 5 years from the date of issuance. The warrant and warrant share were not registered under the Securities Act and were sold in a private placement basis pursuant to the exemption provided. Okay, the warrant shares are being offered pursuant to the prospectus capital stock. The authorized share capital is 400 million shares consisting of 300 million shares okay. Wait, whoa. Our authorized share capital is 400 million shares? 100 million shares preferred per share. For more information about our common stock, you should carefully read this section in the accompanying prospectus description of securities. Whoa. Our authorized share capital is 400 million shares consisting of 300 million shares of common stock and 100 million shares of preferred stock. Boy, oh boy. Wow. I know this is stupid, but I just want to make sure. Oh, okay. So it just means that these are, in your case, the authorized share capital is 400 million shares. This is divided into two types of common and preferred stock. The common stock has a per value of 0.001%, and there are 300 million shares authorized. Common stockholders typically have voting rights and are entitled to a portion of the company's profits in form of dividends. The preferred stock is also per value. There are 100 million shares authorized. Preferred shareholders usually have priority over common stockholders, and when it comes to, it's worth noting that authorized share capital can be changed through a vote by the company's board of directors and shareholders. Therefore, the current authorized share capital may not be the same as it was when the information was last updated. Okay, well, that means you have to go through the other filings. What's up, Salcero? How you doing, bro? Anybody else have any other tickers they want me to take a look at, put up on here? Wow, the VIX is down, dude. I wish I could have shorted the VIX today. I was going to short at around $26, so I could have made $4 a share. I was going to short 2 shares, so I would have made $8. I'd have been very close back in the green on my account. Bank is up. TQQ. Q is up. Schwab is up. Good thing I didn't short that company because I would have probably held way too long. FRC is back up again. There's definitely a dip buy there that you could have made. I don't think these banks are going to be running that much higher. I think there's still a kind of shock and confidence with the overall market. Can I not move this? Little drop on GNS. Okay, GNS is now tapping off the 120 moving average on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. So there's definitely some level of resistance at around what is that? Hold up, I gotta put this in a single one so I can read this chart better. No, this is hold up. Yeah, 1 minute is 120. Red is 120. So we definitely have resistance at 308 as of right now on GNS. One like almost guaranteed at this point. 305 somewhere around there. Yeah, 308, 305 is a resistance level for GNS. So I don't see. I would imagine it's gonna be hard to push this down. There's probably a lot of people who want to pick up some shares for tomorrow. Some covering as well that happened today. All right. HUBC is up 10%. I know there are people looking at that ticker as well. I'm not sure if anyone here is in that. Getting alerts from Webull left and right. So some movement going on in the market. I might see where GNS leads to tomorrow. I think we'll see a run up to like 350s again. I've said that a couple of times already, but I think that's what we're looking at. Let's do the 10 minute on wow, COSM had a little gap that left there at around 389. I will be taking profits a little bit earlier this time on COSM because last time I could have taken profits and I did not take them. So I will be doing that at some point. Take your profits, people. Take your profits. Learned that with GNS today. I could have also taken some profits, but I didn't because I was a little greedy. COSM is trying to push back up above $4. Could definitely see some really good action here, dude. I'm so pumped about this. $3.99. Wow, we really are moving up. Maybe I should have jumped into COSM on this account instead of GNS, but let's hold out. I think this is a W forming, to be honest. On the 5-minute, we just need to get back up to like 330 maybe. On the 10-minute, it looks, what, I don't know. Okay, we just hit 310. We're bouncing on our way back up. So this is kind of the resistance at around 308. Kind of what I was talking about. Sorry about my dog, guys. My dog loves to... Arca charted a breakout for the broadening descending wedge on COSM. Yeah, Thanos, I saw that this morning. He said, I forget what he said, but he said that there were like these sort of alignments in breakouts, and he said that we should be seeing a fifth breakout on two different, on a triangle and a descending wedge. So... So this is, oh my god, okay, we're moving up. 404, baby. Holy crap. This is why I try not to remove tickers I'm looking at. Okay, here we go. Come on, COSM. 404, baby. Dude, this is why I'm so happy I averaged down this morning, dude. Holy crap. On my other account, I'm going to be making some bank. As of right now, I'm on GNS in my little $100 account that I'm struggling a little bit with. But on my other account, the one that I have a decent amount of shares in with COSM, I'm very happy about the price action I see. Could definitely be some covering. Maybe some news got leaked or something like that. I know there's news set to come out in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, said we would be zigzagging higher highs, but needed to return to the mid 350s for a huge push. Well, look, I love Arca. I have complimented Arca multiple times, and I think Arca is one of the best YouTubers in the stocks community that we currently have in regards to technical analysis. I think he'd, especially, I like his story. Kind of how he became a trader. I identify with that a lot. But he did say that yesterday he was expecting a pullback, which I believe technically there was a pullback, but it did kind of, like he said, oh, it's gonna go down. But we kind of had this run up towards the end of the day. So, but this is what COSM always does. So I'm not surprised really. Okay, here we go. 306 on GNS. Kind of hitting those resistance points. We could see it break back down to 295, which is not something my little account would enjoy. I could load up. I could add a couple more shares, try to rebound, average down a little bit. Maybe for tomorrow. I'm okay with holding GNS, to be honest. He's not a god or nothing. Just an educated guess on his part. Yeah. That is true. Three and nine. Okay, that's a candle I wanted to see. Maybe not that at the price that I wanted to see, but a candle I wanted to see. Let's go to the 5 minute. Yeah, that's a candle I wanted to see, dude. See what is the, hold up, I gotta go back to the single chart. Look at the volume here. Yeah, see, so we have the descending volume on these candles. Well, maybe we need to wait a little bit longer before we start making claims like that. But we definitely had some people picking up shares there. We did manage to reach 304, kind of around the 200 moving average on the 1 minute. We did have a breakout on the 50 over 200 on GNS on the 1 minute. We are coming very, very close on the 5 minute. Very close. If we can manage a little pullback up here, maybe to the 320s, maybe the high teens, 3 teens. I think we could see a little golden cross on the 5 minute, which is always welcome in my books. Hey, what's up, Bodie? I saw your picture in Discord. You made some, you were jogging or walking, or you were doing something this morning. Yeah, you went for a walk in the rain this morning after you made some money. This is where I average down little by little. I know GNS pops when least expected. Yeah, that's actually good. Thank you for the reminder, because I still have $11 that I can kind of spend. We'll go for 1 share. We'll try to pick up some here. Let me pull up COSM again, because I have a feeling some action's going to come with COSM. So we did average down a little bit there. Okay, we got 26 shares. I think I can buy 2 more shares on GNS, unless if it pops back down. COSM is currently trading at around 402. With a moving average of 5 at around 4. Come on, drop a little lower, GNS. I'm okay with that. Let me average it down a couple of pennies. It'll work out long term. I know it will. Maybe I should have held back with some of my portfolio here. Again, it's a bit different when you got such a small account, because like you gotta manage it. You can't be as aggressive in a larger as you are in a larger account. See, yeah, a walk and run. Yes, Zen the Holder, my sponsor. LOL. Yeah, dude, I also gotta pump the weights today. I took a day off yesterday because I drank a little bit too much, and I had some other things I needed to do, but today I'm back on it. Need to pump those weights again. All right. Picked up another GNS share. Got enough for 1 more share of GNS. We've already averaged down about a full penny, which is okay because I'm only buying 1 share at a time right now. Exactly. I'm on a small count working with $50 dry powder at the moment. Yeah, dude. Oh, I really, what I should have done is, instead of going the full 25 shares, I should have probably put in, like maybe 10 or 15 shares, and then kept the extra cash on the side, so when it did drop down, I could average down a couple more pennies. But I feel like we'll do that for the next one. We'll do that for the next little run. It does seem we're kind of entering this accumulation phase for GNS. Kind of. Yeah, right there on the 1 minute, you can kind of see that right now. See, my only position as of right now is GNS. I'm down 386, but I could hit a little bit higher. I think GNS will pay off very nicely for me. Is OA in the chat? I don't see him. Dude, what is up with OA? Wait. OA's in the chat. Go to Steve. You might be in top chat, like at the top. When you click down, there's two options: top chat and live chat. Click live chat. When you do top chat, apparently YouTube considers OA's comments as spam, which is bullshit. Like if I go to top chat, OA disappears, but if I go to live chat, OA is right there. Dude, OA, I think YouTube hates you, bro. I think you just speak too many facts. All right, so when you guys go to the chat, I had the same problem. Go when you're looking at the chat at the top, there's this like sort of pull down. Live chat and top chat. Click live chat. OA, bro, like see, bro, it's not just me. It's not just me. For some reason, YouTube hates you, OA. I don't know what's up with that. That's some bullshit, but I guess I'll just pick up my last share of GNS. We averaged down almost 2 full pennies. I'm okay with the position I have as of right now. All right. Steve sees you, OA. We're good. Oh yeah, always a glitch in the Matrix, dude. Yeah, dude. When OA like you mentioned that like in the Discord and you messaged me, I was like, dude, what is OA talking about? I would never block OA on anything. Like I was so confused at first, but we got it figured out. YouTube just hates OA. He doesn't want people to be helped by him. He's speaking too much truth. Agent Smith is trying to get to OA. OA has to be careful. Dude, you know what's crazy? I actually watched the new Matrix movie, Resurrection. I thought it was terrible. I thought it was they honestly ruined the like they just did it. They did the same exact thing they did with Star Wars, where they just copy and pasted it. See, I generally want humanity to win. I'm not racist. I don't hate people. I'm just against the 1%. Well, that's your problem, OA. You're against the 1%. Oh, okay. COSM just fell off a cliff a little bit, but not much volume in it, so I'm not worried. GNS looking like a nice little accumulation phase as of right now. It's looking like it wants to curl back up. Average down a little bit. I'm happy with that. We'll take COSM off the screen for now. I have it up in the background so I can always, like, if something major happens, then I'll pull it back up, because I know some of you guys are holding strong. So, but yeah, COSM is the chart looks nice from a lot of the technical analysis I see being spread. I think COSM is broken out of some channels, so we could see some movement again on that ticker. Yeah, dude. What? I'm not sure if you guys saw my thumbnail yesterday. Like, my thumbnail was like Joe Biden, and he was like naked in front of the press, and there was like all these like politicians standing behind him. And I was like, maybe I shouldn't put that as a thumbnail. But then my thumbnail today is also who is it? James DeFranco. I forget his name. Maybe not necessarily YouTube appropriate. Maybe I need to find a different thumbnail. Maybe there's some good memes on Twitter. I always like to throw off a couple of memes on Twitter. So it's a lot more interesting. The memes on Twitter are very... All right, see you. Dude, YouTube is so strict, especially now with the new CEO, dude. They really be cracking down on people now. James Franco, there we go. Thank you. You got a hungry little dog in the background right now. Not that she didn't eat, but she likes to... I do not recommend getting a dog that is mixed between a Chihuahua and a Russell Terrier. Tell me you've seen Pineapple Express movie. Bro, okay, Bodhi, I'm going to be real. I don't remember, so that is not a good indication. I'm No, I don't think I have. You know, I went on this long binge on like Seth Rogen and those guys, like, on their movies, and I don't think I ever fully watched Pineapple Express. I know it's not very cultured, but I've always been more of a YouTube guy rather than a movie guy. All right, well, okay, COSM is making a comeback. Any other tickers we want to take a look at today? PXMD. Oh, it's on my watch list. It's moving back up to 260. Definitely some good 10-cent swings that you could have made on PXMD if you're playing that ticker at all. Let me pull up Apple right now. How much is Apple worth? Because I'm kind of planning on swinging Apple, especially with this market. Dude, I can't even buy a share. Jesus Christ. Okay, what about Amazon? I know Amazon is below 100. But I don't even have enough capital to buy Amazon. Get it. Microsoft, maybe? Nope. What's another high volume? Oh my god. Got MNTV is moving up a lot. Mullen has some good volume. Tesla, let's see, I got a FRC. Yeah, I don't really want to play FRC. I don't like these bank plays as of right now. PAC-W, that's a bank. Let's see, is there any like high, sort of like a larger, we got Plug Power, that could be a swing. Meta, no, too expensive. SoFi is moving up. Riot Platforms, that could be a good swing. Palantir, I know that's a good swing. Coinbase is moving because of crypto. We got Uber moving. All right, there's some tickers I could try to swing. FNGR thoughts, possible buy opportunity. We took a look at FNGR. I know that for finger motion. Someone, I think, yeah, Bodhi, that was you who mentioned that, right? There we go. Oh, wow. It looks like it's coming down to a little. Yeah, I see what you mean. But it did run late 2022. I don't know if there's any catalyst for that. So, man, my dog loves to get funky. She'll calm down in a moment. Not yet, though. Here, one sec. Let me go calm my dog down a little bit. Alright, brought my dog in. She's being a little. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. Go lay down on my bed. Relax. Make yourself at home. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, I know, dude. That's crazy, right? They're literally they're hating on OA, dude. YouTube really doesn't like OA. See, I want to take. Wow, look at this drop, dude. Wow. I mean, if it goes back all the way down there, I mean, you got to pick up at some point. Look at that drop. Wait, hold up. Look, go on the daily. How long ago was that? That was late 2022. It ran up and it went down. Yeah, maybe we got to try the VIX. I think the VIX is probably a better indication. Hold up, let me pull up the VIX here. Maybe the VIX is a better play because it doesn't get diluted. Look at that. Look at the VIX, dude. On the weekly. How long ago was that? That was 2022. If we go to the monthly. all of these interesting movements in the broader market. I think VIX is the play though. Like, I know it's probably going to come down. See, it seems the low was 17 there. The low was 17. The low was 17. The low was 14. The low was $8 a while ago. Wow. And then you had this sort of like, is that a cup and handle on the weekly? Like a really bad cup and handle on the weekly? You could play VIX long term most likely. Not financial tune. You could get in the AMBI dip. I would, bro, but I don't have a. Wait, is this a bank? Is the AMBI a bank? Wait, what? AMBI. Wait, is that? This is the right ticker, right? AMBI. HUBC. All right, let me. What's up, Infected P? How you doing, bro? Wait, my brain. I start typing Infected P into the search bar. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I saw HUBC run up earlier. I'm not terribly a big fan of HUBC, to be honest. I know a lot of people have been talking about it and they're like, this is the next play. This is gonna go really high. Blah blah blah. And I understand that, but I'm trying to move away from these type of plays over a period of time, and plus I'm playing GNS right now, so oh, and let's pull up the bank index. I know people don't realize how big of a hit that bank index took. It's wow, okay. It's still struggling. It's still going down. I'm telling you, bro, people are not confident in the market. Yesterday's rally was just purely speculation. It wasn't anything. It was just recovery. It was people covering their shorts, all that stuff. Tune MMAT SENS could be a play for you. All right, bro. No, I would get out of GNS, but I don't have another day trade after this. I kind of like GNS's setup for tomorrow. See, we do sort of have this channel forming that we're. Well, the 50 moving average is crossing over the 200 moving average on the 5 minutes, so we could see a rebound coming. Not saying it will happen, but we could see a rebound. They're definitely trying to push it back down. I'm telling you, bro, we're gonna see a late spike in GNS on the day. We're gonna see more shorts covering. I got that feeling in my bones today. I am taking a nice little loss on GNS as of right now, but it's not real until I sell. Thought you had little capital you trying to use right now. I thought you had little. Yeah, bro. I got $87 in my account right now. All right, GNS testing $3. I agree. Nothing is financial advice, bro. Bodie, I completely understand. Excuse me. Though I still want to, dude. I'm still not confident in this bailout, dude. I know people don't want to hear it, but I really am still not confident in it. I don't like this whole like everything is A-okay. The other thing that's like, bro, I don't even want to get to that range of discussion because of YouTube, but Tune got them IOUs like the banks, Bodie. Oh boy, the $100 IOUs. Not everything here can be discussed on YouTube, sadly. So I gotta be careful what I talk about here. But there are subjects I definitely want to talk about. Yo, what's up, Robbie? How you doing? HUBC just had some really good news. Worth checking it out. Okay. Okay, I got multiple people coming in here. HUBC. What is the news? I'm just curious. What is the news on HBC? On HUBC? This week, an institution bought 400,000 shares at $10 a share, and we're currently trading at $1.75. If you're not throwing money at this, then you don't have Rocky Mountain oysters like I do. I'm trying to change my life, not buy a PS5. Okay, cool. HUB Security receives 4 million USD from PIPE investors at $10 per share. A Labs commits to a receivable 20 million PIPE investment to HUB Security. See, according to this calculation, HUB's valuation should be even greater at around $3.6 billion, or about $36 per share. Whether you agree or disagree with the numbers, this is how Wall Street tends to value companies. All right, let's take a look at their fundamentals then, because I don't disagree, but I don't understand how $10 million can be a big deal if the company is worth a couple of billion. Wait, why don't they have the... Oh, you just figured out? Yeah. Pipeline investment at $10 a share. Anyone have LYLT? Okay. Okay. Sad that free speech is selective nowadays. Well, yeah. That in itself is a contradictory. They got the pipe. LMO. Yeah, that's a contradictory statement. P71. Sad that free speech is selective nowadays. Well, then it's not freedom, is it? Shake my head. Just figure out how to do all messages in chat. Yeah, bro. Dude, for some reason, YouTube wants to suppress OA. I don't know what is up with that. Wait. OA. Hold up. Okay, no good. I just want to make sure, bro, because they actually are trying to suppress OA. I don't know why, so I'm worried that like I'm gonna miss out on his chats because for some reason they're just not a big fan of him. I don't. OA really must be breaking the matrix. I don't know how you can have so many how you can just shut someone down even in the chat, dude. That's crazy. All right, well, HUBC is moving. I could just buy one share for the shits and giggles of it, but HUBC has government contract. Oh, no, they probably like. Oh wait, they probably like that. I feel like at this point we just gotta learn Mandarin. I feel like if we learn Mandarin, we could talk about anything. They'd be like, "Oh, we got some Westerners talking Chinese, bro." Oh, dude, unleash the beast. Am I right? Here, I'll pull up LYLT for y'all. I know some people are talking about that, even though. All right, GNS is moving back up. We're trying to push over. Wait, let me pull it up. HUBC is definitely HU. Oh, I have it on my watch list. Wait, which watch? It's just on my watch list. Okay, just so I know that for the future, because I'm gonna pull up. Dude, I'm telling you, bro. On the I'm telling you, bro. On the 5 minute, the 50 moving average cross over the 200. So we definitely are gonna see some upside on GNS in a moment. People are gonna take that as a bullish indicator. So Pentagon and Visa are their customers, but have customers in 30 countries. Okay, but you know what's weird? For some reason, I'm trying to look up HUBC on my Simple Wall Street, and that they're not popping up. Are they trying to suppress this ticker, bro? What is up with this? Did it just IPO a couple of days ago? Oh, okay. It IPO'd recently. That's why. When did it IPO? It IPO'd at the beginning of this month. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. That would have been nice to know, though. Yeah, a couple of weeks ago. Okay. All right, you guys have presented your case and you've piqued my interest. That's all I'll say for now. No, bro, this is not what I wanted to do. God damn it. I wanted to move that one over there to my... I want to put GNS there, and then I want to put HUBC here. All right, well, GNS is moving back up to 319. Let's go, baby. Come on, push it. Work it. Put in the work, baby. I don't want to be chasing HUBC, but, I mean, there's a lot of bullish sentiment. What's the volume on this right now? Turnover is 6.85 million. Interesting. Free float is 71 million. Where is it? Volume's only 10 million. Oh, dude, I'm not worried yet. I think. I hope. HUBC is a SPAC play, says Chase. Oh, boy. Yeah, okay. See, look, if this was 2 years ago, I'd be full in on this, but I don't know. Guys, all these price targets and stuff that are coming out and all this, like, I'm just worried. I'm trying to stick to the things that I know as of right now. And once I feel comfortable enough with GNS and I feel like I've taken the profit that I'm looking for, or that I think is possible within the next 2 day trading or two, or the market day, I think I'll probably look for some new plays, and you guys can throw out some suggestions, but I'll just keep it up for now for you guys. We're currently at 187, 189. We are moving up. High of days 195. So interesting to see what happens if it pushes itself back up to that 195 area. Double top, or are we pushing it? The volume, let's see. The volume is still a little low, to be honest. That is my only concern with HUBC. It is moving up quite quickly. We were at 9 million a couple of minutes ago. It's currently at 10 million. GNS is looking good, dude. All right, tapping the 189 again. Just looking for that 190. GNS is some nice green candles coming in. Some push is coming. Moving averages are shifting. Yeah, we are at that resistance of the 200 MA on the 10. And the... I don't know. There's no real resistance on the 15. Maybe the VWAP at 326 as of right now. But again, I averaged down a little bit on GNS, so I feel like that's going to help also. That helps with a couple of cents here or there. Oh, wait, did we just hit 190 on HUBC? Did we hit 190? Yeah, we did hit 190. We just hit 190. Okay, we're moving back up. HUBC is trying to push the new high day coming in at some point. See a lot of speculation on HUBC. HUBC just dropped down hard. 177, 176. The volume is picking up massively. GNS's volume is kind of trash. Okay, we'll throw up HUBC. Ooh, okay. This is a dip opportunity for people. Here we go, a fat dump. We're talking a couple mil right now. So look at the 1 minute. We're pushing back below the VWAP. It's tapping off of it right now. This could just be a little rebound. The only thing I don't like about is these two sort of red candles sitting next side by side. Right? It could just be a throwing off of retail, because generally that's a bearish sign right here. This trading pattern, when you have these two type of red candles coming in, but you do also have a lot of volume coming in. There's probably people sitting on the sideline ready to pick up some shares on HUBC. So I'll put this on my watch list so I can just go back to my watch list, look through it. TRKA, 24 cents, which is kind of dead. Bond, Mullen. Excuse me. AMC, talk is live right now. You have link? No, do you? Can I... to be honest, dude, I really don't care that much about AMC. I really don't. I know there's some people here who want to listen to it, but I imagine John is streaming that. You can go to John's stream and look at or Steve. Yeah, they're over there right now. I've no interest in listening to the AMC call, dude. JWS is streaming that right now. You can go over there, man. I'm sticking with my plays of GNS right now, because GNS is looking very nice. It definitely looks like it wants to push itself back up. That nice little golden cross saved us, to be honest. I'm going to be real right now. That golden cross saved us hard. We'd be definitely back at the threes right now. Now, obviously, we can always kind of experience, like, we could kind of experience something like this, but see, it's already 9 o'clock. Yeah, I still got like probably another 50 minutes to go in the stream before I hop off. I gotta get some things done. That probably means you have to take a look at AMC. What's AMC doing? AMC's probably AMC going down. What about Ape? How's Ape doing? Oh, wow. What? Dude, I drew a line and it fucking tapped off it perfectly. You know, I need to give myself a little bit more credit on technical analysis. I the recently I've become I'm a lot, my technical analysis paying off a lot more than it used to. Yeah, there's probably a bunch of people who kind of switched over to listen to the AMC call. I have no interest in listening to the AMC call. I know there's probably people in retail who have been in that play, but I'm not looking for that, so. Oh wait, I can just buy some HUBC on my Robinhood on my other account. You know what? I'll throw in 50 shares on HUBC. Why not? On my other account, I'll just throw in 50. Let it ride. It's not even like what, $80, $90. Could pay out for me. I could buy some more COSM if it runs up where people are saying it, or where they claim it will run up to. SINT does have some price action coming in. It did run up to around 264. I was actually planning on getting in at around 240. So, again, another opportunity missed with like a 20-cent swing. I definitely should have waited on the GNS play. My mistake on the BAER moving. All right, let's take a look at that. BAER. Bridger Aerospace Group. Wow, boom. All right, let's take a look. Nice little reversal of trend. Hit a high of 1245 back in late February. IPO'd recently, hit 48, swung all the way down to 330, moved back up. All right, interesting. Volume is very low, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. You know what I've started to realize, Bodie, that start day 2 for COSM. Oh, dude, I must have misspoke. I don't know. Sometimes I talk and I don't really realize what I'm saying sometimes. Sometimes I'm a little too quick with my words. What do people think COSM going to? Oh, where do you think COSM's going to? Man, I have absolutely no idea. Can you look at 8, please? Yeah, I'll take a look. I'll just leave that up on screen for you, Sue. I don't. Most people say anywhere from, oh wow, it just jumped up to $2. Holy crap! And wow, there's some massive volume coming in. People are excited. Whoa, look at that. There was some massive buying and then some massive selling Volume picked up massively. Holy crap. Selling going off. I don't know. Probably something to do with the call, I imagine. Yeah, but COSM price target, people are normally talking anywhere from $15 to about $25. That's the general expected price target. I'm not saying it's going to happen. That's not financial advice whatsoever. I will say, though, that there are... Wow, Ape is moving, dude. Holy crap. Jesus Christ. Dude, what is going on? Hold up. I do need to pull up John Wick Snipe. I imagine I imagine you guys are talking about it over there. It's good to just have the... See, wow, Ape G's. Okay, thank you, Tim. Was curious, yeah. AMB, BAR, HUBC, all SPAC play. Just be careful. Oh, yeah, no, I only threw in 50 shares on HUBC, Chase. Dude, this is crazy, dude. Ape is moving. The volume on this is ridiculous. This is you have literally millions of volume in a 1 minute candle. AMC halt. Yeah, I heard that on hold up. I guess we'll just pull up AMC to the side here. Even though I didn't want to do this, I guess we're doing it. They're going to meet up price $3 maybe. Yeah, isn't this what people were speculating, though? That they were going to meet the price up together? People were talking about that. Whoa. Wow, Ape, dude, holy crap. What is going on, dude? This volatility is insane. Jesus Christ. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, this volume is actually crazy. Drop. Yeah, I know, Bodhi. It is actually moving really quickly. I honestly never would have expected like this much volume. Like, dude, the volume on this is crazy. They halted AMC, which is complete, which just shows that like they screwed up. What, people are selling AMC to jump into Ape essentially because they can make money on the difference? Maybe meet up at 2. It just keeps going down $1. Dude, the volume on this is legit crazy. I don't even know, like, what I don't even want to get into this because I'm not an AMCer. So I'm just showing this for you guys because you guys are... Oh, AMC is unhalted. It's moving down. 480. Wow, it is dropping. Okay. It's pulling back up. Okay, AMC is trying to... Whoa, holy crap. Dude, what is going on? I have never seen... This is crazy. What's the volume on this now? Jesus Christ. Hold up, let's go back to the 5 minutes so we can catch this. Dude, this seems very artificial. I'm not sure about you guys, but this seems very artificial. HUBC to 153 a buy. I still got some cash, Chase, so if I feel like hopping back in, if it's okay, AMC is halted, I'll definitely pick up some HUBC. Okay, now because because AMC is halted, that's why Ape starts moving. Dude, this guy is painful to listen to. Yeah, Chase, where have you been, by the way? You used to come by all the time. Didn't they... Wasn't there some beef or something? I don't even... Dude, I don't even know. I don't care, to be honest. I hope you're doing well, Chase. I hope life's been good, bro. I haven't seen you comment. Maybe you just didn't pick up a membership over there or something. That could be a possibility. Wow, okay. Ape is still halted. Alright, guys. I'm
Thank you, Steve.
All right, I'm wrapping up the AMC talk, bro. I could care less, dude. I'm gonna be real. I really could care less. I know like I'll leave it up on the screen, but for like in general, I'm not very big on these plays. I know some of you guys are, but I'll leave Ape up here. I know some of us got back into Ape. I personally didn't, so whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I picked the wrong one. There we go. Now this is the one I want to change. So this one goes to GNS. I'll leave up HUBC. Some crazy action right there, guys. Is that the real Chase in the house? Ugh. Yeah, this is where all the misfits come and play, right? No, I don't know. All right, but anyways, back to the good old play. Wow, that was honestly very uneventful. I imagine when AMC and holds, like I was expecting a lot more price. I thought Ape was gonna at least skyrocket like 250 maybe. Yeah, we got a lot of side trading as of right now. Let's take a look at the overall market. Let's see how banks are doing. FRC. Let's see, they all took dips and they're kind of headed back down a little bit. Bank is still up 5%, even though it did hit a low and then jump back up slightly, bounced off of that. Wells Fargo is taking a hit right now. It's moving back down, picked back up. SPY is moving down. Oh, that probably means the UVXY is probably, yeah, UVXY is moving back up. VIX is moving back up. All these stickers are moving back up. AMC halted. WTF. Dude, I think there's just too much volume going on there. I don't even know what the results are. I don't know the storyline behind AMC, so good luck to all you guys who played that ticker. I really do. Okay, AMC is unhalted. It's moving back down below 5. Wow, dude. You could have probably paid, what, puts? Oh, wait, if you're in here, you call them puts, bro? Is that what you were playing? Ape is slowly climbing up, so. The volume on this is crazy. Wow, okay, they're just going to push AMC back down. Ape is moving back up now. See, this is what I was saying. I think you could have picked... I think Ape is probably going to try to push to 250. You're going to see AMC go back down to 4. They're probably going to meet each other in the middle at some point, so halfway. Because if you sell AMC... then you can pocket the difference on Ape, right? I'm assuming. I don't know. I don't really know what's happening, but I assume that's how people are trying to play it. FRC a good buy. Oh, okay. Bought Ape yesterday at 160. Nice, Steve. What exactly happened in the call? I wasn't really paying attention. Well, this is a different stream, guys, so I don't care. FRC is a good buy. Yeah, I was thinking about this morning, especially on the dip, but I'm to be honest, dude, I'm not really comfortable playing banks. Because see what's gonna happen, in my opinion, this is broader market talk, right? Broader market. I think you're gonna see another bank. You're gonna see regional banks start pulling out. They're gonna start failing, and I think most likely it's gonna spiral out of control, and I don't want to be attached to banks. The only thing I would really be doing is shorting it. I'm waiting for another large run up, maybe another 25%er on the banks, and then if I could, I'd probably buy puts or something like that. Like for me, the banks just aren't that appealing. I know. Chase, you. Hey, Bodie, you got to step out, bro. I appreciate it, man. I'm about to wrap up the stream in about the next 30 minutes, so you're not missing much, bro. I gotta do some things with my family and stuff, so I just hopped on because I didn't have all day today, so. Well, AMC is halted again. For those of you who are curious, I'll pull up Ape again. I accidentally clicked off of it. I shouldn't have done that. I keep on. I'll do this one for the banks. Leave GNS in my position. Okay, Ape is moving up. See, I'm thinking you could see a move up on Ape, definitely. Nice little swing, dude. Hey, by the way, Chase, I'm up $1.50 on HUBC. Let's go, dude. Let's go. $1.50. That's huge. Because I only bought 50 shares, so. COSM's back in the red, which kind of sucks. Probably a lot of people just probably a lot of capital just moved to Ape and AMC most likely. You know the memers. They love paper. They love selling out their shares, paper handing, and then dumping into another play, trying to catch the run up, and then either getting caught or not making as much as they thought they would. But wow, I was expecting more action from Ape, to be honest. I think they need to just unhalt AMC. Wow, okay, you bought him back into TRK, dude. Hey, that's ballsy, bro. Another bait bought 60, sold at 40 for loss redemption time. I like that, bro. All right, peace out, Bodie. Have a good day, bro. And enjoy your day. Okay, Miguel is saying Bayer will run. All right, I'll pull up Bayer on this one. All right. So definitely some movement throughout the day today. We'll do 5 minutes so we can get a better idea of what's going on here. Did hit off 596. Kind of okay. By the way, Ape, yeah, you guys can see Ape is moving up $2 right now. No, to be honest, Miguel, I think you're kind of seeing a little top on Bayer. It needs a pullback, and I don't think it has the volume to do so. The volume right now is 375. 375K. What's the float? $13 million. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, low volume tickers aren't necessarily that bad. I've experienced some. Okay, Ape is pushing back. This is what I was saying. Okay, GNS. I'm still in GNS. I'm honestly, let's see. I'm playing for tomorrow. That's actually one to check out. I wanted to see what people are saying in regards to stock twits, because I have a feeling GNS could see some action tomorrow with that news coming out. You never know. Okay, AMC is unhalted. It is, again, dude, it's moving down, bro. This is what I'm saying. Oh, my dogs are farting, bro. My dog's little stinky poos. Wow, AMC is tanking, bro. 16%, 15%, 16%. Are we going to push 17%? 17%. Jesus Christ. Dude, I think, honestly, GNS could be surprising tomorrow. You got this nice little sideways accumulation throughout the day. Yeah, I think about AMC is pushing 18% down. Jesus Christ. All that hard work over the last couple of months, dude, and it just disappears. I know some of you guys were in that play, so I hope you guys played accordingly. Now playing against all odds. Yeah, bro, dude, this is why is AMC a good buy for a swing play? Chase, dude, I'm Chase. I'm not getting into that crap, dude. It's just the headache of retail manipulation, sabotage, backstabbing, a bunch of BS going on. I mean, maybe. It does look like it wants to rebound. I think you could probably get a good little couple 10 centers. You could get a couple of dimes on the swing, probably. It is pushing its way back up. I'm not saying it is a good play. I'm just simply saying that is a possibility. Not financial advice, obviously. Oh, boy. GNS. I'm so surprised GNS is like... I was expecting a little bit more of a run-up, especially with the news tomorrow, dude. The news, the releasing of tomorrow is going to be crazy. I'm actually curious to see because that will impact COSM over the long run. Yeah, you're definitely going to see some swings there. Ape did break above the little channel I drew a couple of days ago. I think it was last week, or the sees it halted again. No, AMC is just kind of in this. Dude, this is why I don't want to touch that ticker. To be fair, though, I think Ape would have probably been the play. It was a nice little... crap, I just moved this. I didn't mean to. Is that like $1.90? Something like 90, something like that. See, let's go to the 5-minute. Oh, my God. I did it again. What the... There we go. That was the line I drew. It was $1.90. Yeah, I think if you'd picked up Ape yesterday, I think that would have been a good play. I mean, AMC is just, it's going down, dude. I'm not. Oh, the good old 666 coming out to play. 308, 378. Man, oh man, dude. I'm telling you, trying to build $100 account is a pain, dude. But I also misplayed GNS pretty badly, to be fair. I really need to start focusing. Well, you know what else? So yesterday I ordered a mic stand because right now I'm holding the mic in my hand because if I don't and I sit it on the table, it sounds really muffled and stuff like that. So I bought a this like $20 mic stand off of Amazon that should be arriving today. Once I get that, I can focus a lot more because now I can type, I can tab in, tab out. I don't have to just be using my mouse. I know that doesn't seem important, but trust me, try to trade with using just one hand. It's a lot trickier than it sounds. Especially with how fast the market moves, dude. Like by the time you've moved your mouse to where you need it to be, you've literally like lost like a good couple of dollars, good couple of Benjamins here or there. But I'll probably implement that tomorrow because, as I said, I have some stuff that I need to do, and I don't really want to be using my hand as of right now, or I don't want to be like going full in as of right now. I'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be a lot more prepared, a lot more talkative, a lot more action going on. See, PXMD has kind of fallen back after the high of the day. It is trying to curl its way back up. Dude, FRC Chase would have definitely been a much better play if you'd bought in like the high 30s maybe. I'm curious to see what happens with SVB or SIVB if they ever unhold that. Wait, are they going to delist the ticker? Is that the plan? Yeah, no, I just hope the people who were in AMC didn't get further slapped around because I know there's a lot of party, nobody. I can't stop. We won't stop. Okay, AMC's doing a little pull up. Trying to get its gains back. Lost a lot of muscle mass on the way down. HUBC 180. Dude, I should have bought more HUBC. I could have scalped that shit. Made some good money. I'm up. Dude, I'm already up 3%. God damn it, dude. I should have done that shit on my Webull account. Sometimes the collective is just smarter than one individual mind. Not always, but sometimes. Oh, okay. Good green candle, GNS. I like that. Good green candle. Reject the bullshit downward trend. Reject it. Fuck that shit, dude. What a bunch of bullshit. See, this is kind of what happens though on these smaller accounts, is that you slowly bleed out a couple of percents over a period of time, and then you get that one hitter where you rocket like 10 or 15% on a trade, and you're like, and you just kind of make all your, maybe a little bit back, and then kind of what your gains are, right? Because like maybe part of it is also the fact that you see, AMC B Madoff would have been proud. Oh boy. Yeah, knee deep. I agree, dude. Ape is going down. Like, this is stupid. Now you just have these. I don't even know how they managed to get so many people to stick around, dude. Because now you just got this inverse price action on these two AMC tickers. You're just bleeding capital for both sides. This is useless. Well, I mean, I guess this is also the... All right, I'm taking AMC and Ape off. If you guys want it up, there's other streams, you can go to their streams. I'm just not, I'm not a part of this. I want to look at HUBC and GNS for today. HUBC because it's an interesting play, and because I have some shares in another account, and GNS because this is the ticker I'm trying to build my smaller account with as of right now. So GNS definitely is going to flip tomorrow. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. Just the new, it's going to pop up a good 50 cents tomorrow most likely. It might trickle down back to the 280s today. Could see some buying after hours for the preparation of tomorrow, some covering, something like that. You know, these things happen, guys. Okay, CYD on one of my other plays. HUBC. Okay. Did we lose the... No, we're still on the 5. It's still a golden cross on the 5. We just pushed below the 50 moving average. So they're going to... Yeah, this is what I was kind of thinking. They were going to slowly try to push it back down. I think after hours on GNS will be interesting, even though I won't necessarily be streaming. I will kind of be in the background of some of the other streams, just for the fact that I'll be in and out. But I mean, it doesn't seem like there's going to be much price action today on GNS. Oh, wow. HUBC is moving back up. 184. Come on, HUBC. Give me some money for some more COSM, dude. I'm up $4, dude. I should have jumped into HUBC. Fuck. God damn it. It's part of the game, I guess. You live and learn. But I have a feeling GNS tomorrow is where a lot of the hype will be around. Especially because AMC is not... all that BS is done. All that hype around AMC is done. People won't be speculating as much on AMC. A lot of shorting, people selling, covering, all this crap will occur. But I'm curious, what's the conversion if I do... So let's say I get my account to 25K, right? Divide that by 100. So it's 250 times. So 25K times 250. How much is that? That's 6 million. I guess that's the next challenge. If I get my... No, the next challenge, if I somehow manage to get my account to 25K within the year, I'm going to try to go for 1 million with this account. Not saying that's going to happen. I doubt that will actually happen, to be honest, especially within this market. Hell no. I can try, but I doubt it. See, what was my starting price? I'm going to start doing? I'm going to start putting my price in the my total account value in the, let's see. That's what I'm going to do. From now on, I'm going to put how much money I have in my account in the title. So if people are like, oh, this guy is stupid because he has $89 in his account. Great. I'm not going to change it. I'll just do it in the mornings. So you can, because then people, they'll see it and they'll be like, oh, this guy's making some money over time, hopefully. You know, as of right now, I mean, like, I'm still going down a bit. GNS is not being very kind to me. But hopefully tomorrow we get in like a nice little like 25, 50 cent pump up tomorrow. I have a feeling after hours might be a little bit interesting. I feel like we could see a steady uptick. Like here, let's just put GNS up in the chart here. Let's go to the 30. Like, this sell-off isn't that surprising. Let's be real here, especially like kind of happened here. We went down and then we kind of popped back up. So I think we could see that. Maybe we get to like the 360s tomorrow, something like that, which is like what? That's like 30 cents, 35 cents for 28 shares. Not saying it will happen, but kind of just speculation. 35 times 28. We get $9.8. So we'd be close back up to $100. We are taking a bit of an L on the GNS right now, to be fair, but I should have played it so much safer Right, I was like, I'm so used to like having $1,000 where like if you buy in, you can just come back down. You can just average down a lot harder. But with a smaller account, it's tougher, right? And since your position is so much smaller, you're holding out for larger gains. Like you're like, no, I can get $10. Screw $3. I can get $10. Like the psychology of this is a whole new game, dude. What the fuck is going on with Ape and AMC? Is Ape squeezing? Volume is climbing. I don't know, dude. I'm RKDA. I'll take a. I'll look at that. RKDA. Arcadia. Oh, dude. I think I've looked at this at some point. Dude, these what's up with these low volumers? I get that, but I'm just not in them right now, Miguel. Well, once I get at GNS, we can discuss new strategies. Dude, I have absolutely no idea. I know people I know in the background there's a lot going on with AMC and Ape, but I'm not an AMCer. Never really have been, so I don't want to start talking about a ticker that like I have no knowledge on, especially with the community of AMC and Ape. Hell no, dude. I don't want that. I don't want to get involved in something that I'm not a part of. I stick to my own lane. If people don't like what I'm doing, they can piss off. I'm going to buy FRC. I think it will do well. All right, guys, I am about to wrap it up. Hold up, give me a sec. Let me release the dogs. All right, the dogs are out of the room, so there's no chance of barking, even though we are about to wrap it up soon. I don't love her anyway. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's just not my thing. Who let the dogs out? Dude, my dogs are wonderful dogs. They're a bit yappy, but for the most part, they're like, I would say for the ratio of their breed relative to how much they bark is actually quite low. So I'm actually like, they're good dogs, man. My dogs are good dogs. They respect us as owners a lot, you know. And you get you know what I'm talking about. You see those people and you look at their dog and you think to yourself, wow, these people have no control over their dog. Like they just shouldn't have gotten a dog. This is not for them. Dude. Oh wait, god damn it, dude. Man, oh man. We didn't have a great day today. I do think there's still some potential with GNS with the NFT coupon thing coming out tomorrow. Or no, the NFT. I don't exactly know what Roger Hamilton was talking about. Something about you get like an NFT reward or in regards to GNS, which will probably just have some people buy in and cover or whatever. Man, Roger Hamilton's talking. He's starting to turn into the HUBC CEO, where the guy just talks way too much. And this is why I never got into HUBC. And like, if I was a new retail trader and I came in late to the GNS play and I saw him talking so much, I wouldn't be very motivated to jump in. Jesus Christ, bro, where's your tweet? We were talking about yesterday that there was like a bunch of stuff happening. Or tomorrow. That tomorrow there's going to be a bunch of stuff. Oh wait, as the residential expert on technical analysis, do you agree that this is a bull flag to some degree right here? Like if I were to, this looks like a very nice little bull flag forming. Wait, this is the, let's do the 5 minutes. Yeah. This looks like a nice little bull flag here. Oops, no, that was a terrible drawing. Hold up. Let's do. Right, so around 1 o'clock, yeah. So this is what I'm saying. It's gonna be after hours, or no, like more, just a couple more. I don't know, something like this. I'm not amazing technical analysis here. Maybe I gotta move this a little bit. Like here, I think this is how you do it. Like you do this. I don't know, dude. My technical analysis is trash. I need to work on my technical analysis. I don't like the inconsistency that comes from this. Like if I were to do something like this is a bull flag essentially, right? I don't know. Let's remove this. This is embarrassing to watch, I know. Looks to be forming. I'm zen. I'm averaging. Waiting for the pop. 100%, dude. I think you're also going to see some good action after hours, maybe pre-market tomorrow. I can pick up a couple of dollars. You know, like maybe $4 or $5, sell out, try to swing a couple of other trades, pick up $1 or $2. We need to start climbing back over the 100. Okay, bring it down. You had it right. Dorito chip. All right. Yeah, okay, so it's kind of like this. Oops. Hold up, let me start over. I'm starting over OA. All right. Yeah, okay, something like here. And then we're looking at like probably like right here. This is kind of what we're looking at. You could also move it. You can do it like somewhere like right here. Something like this. I mean, we are kind of following that like sort of resistance line up there where we're kind of moving back up. So if I go to the 1 minute, we take a look at it. It's bounced off a couple of times. We had this. So the breakout could be coming very soon. You said 10:30 I know earlier in the day, and I know that's maybe Eastern Standard Time, but 10:30 right now on the West Coast is. We're definitely looking for some action, dude. I could have played this so much better. There were so many ways I could have played this better, but live and learn, right? Live and learn. Okay, thank God I did that. Let me check my this. All right, we're here. Geometric shapes, equilateral triangle at a 90-degree angle, breakout out on the horizon. All right. Okay, we still got some things I need to do today besides the live stream. I am enjoying this though. Though the volume has been dying down. That's the only concern I kind of have right now with the isn't there, don't they have all right, let's take a look. HUBC at 179. I'm about to close out the stream, so if you guys have some other places to be, other streams, you guys can make your way over there, as I do have to wrap up the stream at this point. I got some things I need to take care of. I do hope everyone has a good day. I hope you guys made some money. See, we are struggling a little bit with the 100 to 25K challenge. We're a little bit lower than I would have liked to be in the opening of this morning. I was actually really close. I think I had a high of like $97 in the account today, which I should have just taken. I should have just taken the profit. I should have walked away, but I was greedy. And I also overcommitted myself way too early. Excuse me. All right. But anyways, guys, I got some things to do. I really appreciate the time you guys took. Thank you for the people who liked the video. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.